KLM UK Engineering takes safety very seriously. It's important that we have the right lighting levels because it keeps the engineers alert, which is crucial in the aircraft maintenance industry. When we started looking for a new lighting system, we weren't even aware that this sort of control system was available. So it came as a real pleasant surprise. We needed a system that was controllable for when there was no one working, for when there was no aircraft in a bay, and also to harness the natural daylight, so we don't use energy when we don't need to. The Luxon light management system is a mesh network that connects each of the luminaires to each other, which then sends the data back to a central control point. The control point sends the information to the cloud, and it's through the cloud that we can control the lights. You can adjust the lighting levels to suit the environment that's required. So, for example, we have different shifts. We can adjust the schedules of the lights to suit the working patterns of the engineers, and we don't even need to be on site to adjust that. This flexibility allows us to adapt and change as we need to with the business. It did surprise me that the Luxon light management system was very easy to set up. We spent one day with an engineer to configure the system, and then we had 2 follow-up workshops just to finalise the scheduling of the lighting controls, and then we were up and running. The key benefits for KLM UK Engineering can be summed up as ease of use, reduction of energy, and also the support that we receive from Nedap. The engineers probably aren't aware of all the benefits of the system because all they care about is having the right lighting levels to carry out their job.